Hello guys, welcome to Online Money Minds. I am Amosoft and I'm going to be sharing a video where I'll be talking about pending trades and also sharing with you guys a new trade which I shared on my Twitter account minutes or a few hours ago, and I'm still currently running. So, first of all, we're going to be talking about the Solana trade, which is a new one. Then we're also going to be talking about the BNB trade, which is the trade we entered yesterday. So, um, if you're new to this YouTube channel, please make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you share our content, help the channel to grow. Okay, so that being said, let's head over straight to the video. Now, as you can see, this is on the 1 hour chart time frame. So we are currently hovering around a very crucial level. All right. And I believe that as at the time of uploading this video, we should have pumped. The market is closing in, I think, 3 hours from now. So we really need to close above this level. So I'm just going to be showing you guys the level that we need to close above. So currently we have this level right here. The two uh sorry, I'm just I want to pick, so I want to get the level perfectly well. So we this 210, I'm going to be showing you why I'm picking those levels, all right? And we also have this level right here, the 216, and we also have another level right here, which is the 225, 224, which is our target for this trade. So, guys, the reason why I'm picking 224, or why I picked 224 for this trade, is because if you look at those three levels, they are very crucial. They are very, they are important levels in the Solana chart. Now, if we look at this, let's say, uh, if this pattern right here was to be a kind of double button, irrespective of the little breakdown we have here, then I believe that first of all, um, measuring measuring from this area here, as you can see, is the target should be around um 233. But the reason why I'm not actually looking into this is because this is not actually a perfect double bottom. Because if we were to be a perfect double bottom, we should be having something like this, then this way. But as you can see, we are not touching anyway. But basically, one of the reasons why I'm confident in this trade, irrespective of the fact that that is not a perfect double bottom pattern, is because most altcoins, they're actually breaking, away from the BTC jinx. Most of the major major altcoins are actually breaking out, and Solana too is actually trying to do that. And this area where Solana is currently bouncing at, as you can see, this area is actually a point of breakout. As you can see, this same thing happened here. We bounced along this area then before we started booming. Okay, so this is most likely to happen here. We already have some kind of initial bounce already. As you can see, we went up all the way here, down, up, down again. So we were to bounce from this area with a very good amount of volume right here, because we need to see, huge volume around here. Uh, that's actually going to plunge us all the way up to 224, 225. And the reason why I am choosing that level as a target is because when you look back to this place, you see we have a resistance here. We have support, and still have something like this. So basically, we might go up. This is how I think we're going to go. We'll bounce up, maybe a little bit down again, then go up, then before we see some kind of correction, but we are going to be taking our profits right here. So that is where I think Solana is going to be heading towards to. So let's look at our BNB trade and also know what is happening there. So on the BNB trade, everything is actually working according to plan. As you can see, we are now moving along this kind of ascending channel. This blue line right here, this one you are seeing here, this one here, and this one here. So if we are to move along this blue channel you're seeing right here, this blue channel you're seeing right here, then technically we should have a kind of and I actually want us to see a bounce from here, from this 620, though we did hit 635 earlier today, but because the market is coming to an end for the day, so we have lesser, volumes right here. So once we bounce from here, definitely we're going to be hitting our target with 650. Though I did an update that we should take profit from 640 and above. So what that simply means is that if we get to 640 and maybe we will now have 645, just set your stop loss or take profits, or how you may want to say it, at 640, so that if you have a kind of retracement, you will not lose your entire profit. So if you now see something like 648, 650, 660, then you keep increasing your take profits level. Okay, so it is actually going to make you to maximize your profits. All right, so guys, that is it for our Solana and BNB trade. So guys, if you love our YouTube channel, please make sure subscribe, like, share, and also make sure notification button is turned on, so that whenever I drop a video you will get notified. Follow me on Twitter at Amosoft Mindset, and also join our Telegram group where we have discussions from time to time. Okay, guys, do have a lovely night's rest ahead. Bye.